Take you to take this piece off after you pumped it down?
5-10 minutes.
5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
Do you guys have 5 or 10 minutes to
Valve off your valves and pull the whole compressor out.
Yeah, so after, he shut it down, he pumped it out, he electrically isolated. That takes a few minutes depending on it. But when he was on here to work on it, 5 to 10 minutes. Do you guys have 5 to 10 minutes on your job sites? Probably do, right? Okay, so you pull it off, and then what you can do is take this out, and then you can actually check it. Okay, it's not fixing the problem at this point, but you're checking if that's failed. And one way to check, see if the windings are still good, you can just go right from actually the windings themselves. And then you can own that out, and then you match it up to the compressor manufacturer specs. So this one's a Copeland, so you go to Copeland Mobile. Jeff did a great job talking about Copeland Mobile. It's an app that you need if you work in Copeland compressors. Okay, so that's another check if you have overheating. What else do we have here? That's pretty good. So this here, another thing. So I know when I was a young apprentice, I was doing a lot of single units, and they had little small K bodies. They're smaller than this. They're a little tinier compressor. They got 2 little pistons in instead of 3. And there was one time I was doing leak checking, and I found a leak around the compressor. And then I found a leak right here. And then I sprayed it, and it was bubbling up. I'm like, oh, the compressor's failed. So I ordered up a new compressor. What do you think I could have did? Orange.
Replace the terminal plate.
Could have replaced this plate. These are why they're called semi-hermetics. We can work on them. Not a lot of people do this anymore. Once again, I said because of price. Sometimes contractor and business owner are worried that if they do that replacement, that it'll fail in 6 months down the road. And you, as the technician, really need to understand if it's a 20-year-old compressor, it could be time to replace it anyway. But if it's a 2-year-old compressor on the middle of the roof, where you need to get a 300-ton crane to put that compressor up there, you gotta look at the cost balance. Do you wanna get that compressor all the way up there, or do you wanna bring a little plate up there, save your customer a lot of money and bring them a huge amount of value? Next thing, so that's electrics. Okay, checking oil.